Hello, my name is Andres Delgadillo. I'm 36 years old. Nowadays, I'm in 5th semester of Management in Health. When I was 19, I studied at the University of Antioquia. The first program I was enrolled was food engineering. Then I changed to Management Information Systems in Health for 5 semesters. I spent my vacation time in Guatapé. I stayed at my friend's house. The first day I went in a boat trip around the dam. The next day I went up to the top of the Peñol mountain. It was hard, but it worked. When I got there, I could watch all the palm and the town. The next days, I went to see the towns nearby, and I went for a hike in different places. I saw many different plants, birds, and other little animals I didn't see before. I recommend to have enough time to appreciate the contrast between mountains, water, and sky you can see from the top of the stone. I enjoy my vacations a lot. I hope to see new places next year. Thanks for listening. I'm looking forward to hear about your stories. Have a good evening.